Briefly about our clinical services, we're very different. Being part of an academic medical center, we're very fortunate. We have a lot of resources on the campus of Stony Brook University, the Tertiary Care Medical Center. In our building alone, we have 5 full-time double-boarded geriatricians. They're our own doctors. We don't use the community doctor model. Most nursing homes use community doctors. Those are the doctors that you and I see in the community. So after they see their patients all day, eventually they go to the hospital, they see any of their patients that are in the hospital, and eventually they get to the nursing home. By law, they only have to see the resident in the nursing home once every 60 days. That's not how it operates here at our place. You know, pardon my French, but if our guys fart wrong, our doctor knows about it. They're caring for them every single day. They have 90, each doctor only has 90 patients. So the level of attention that the residents receive at the Veterans Home is quite high, and we believe we're able to deliver high quality of care that way. We also have an in-house pharmacy, so if our physician makes any of the medical changes, he puts in the electronic order, it gets sent down to our pharmacy, within the hour the new medication comes up. We don't have to wait for CVS or Caremark or whatever drug distribution company the nursing home is using. We have our own in-house pharmacy, our in-house geriatric pharmacist. So if we have any questions, we can run it through the pharmacist. So we just have a very better, well-structured organization. We have in-house audiology, ophthalmology, dentistry, podiatry, urology, psychiatric and psychological services. So we're not putting you in an ambulette and sending you across town to go see the doctor. We want everything in-house. We want our own people taking care of our own residents. We believe it's just a better practice, better quality of life, better way to take care of our residents. We also do speech therapy, occupational therapy, and physical therapy. We have our own laboratory and radiology services connected with the university. So let's say we suspect someone has a fractured hip. We have special x-ray machines. We take the x-ray. It's no more film anymore. It's all electronic. They take the picture, it gets sent electronically to the radiologist at Stony Brook, and it goes upstairs to our medical suite, to our doctor's office, and they can view the x-ray instantaneously. So it's a lot of the new technology that we're using in our building, very progressive.